Alright, hi guys. So it's like 8 o'clock at night right now. And also we had the day off. I just came in anyways. So right now what I'm doing is working on mounting the gas tank. This bar is not welded in yet, but what I did is I made a little cage out of 1x and went and put a plate on each end, drilled through the plate, put a hole through it so this could slide through, and now we have our pendulum movement. I tack welded it pretty good here. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the plate for this side. I wanted to make sure I had something that would work first before pulling y'all out, just to find out I'm not doing shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making one for this side, and I have some music going, so it should be pretty good. I cut it a little too long. That was cool. Not intentional, but cool. Alright, this is the way I see it. Since this is holding up a gas tank, all I gotta say is if it's hard getting in, it's even harder getting out. Why is that not going all the way back? Well, I think I'm mostly done for the night. Not because I want to be, but mainly because I want to get their opinions on that before I actually weld it in, because the only way to really put it in there is weld it in, and I want to make sure that they agree with what I'm going to do. So, yeah. Alright, so we got it mounted up in here. I got to make a little brace that goes that way, brace that goes this way, just to keep it from moving up and down like that. But yeah, I got to make a little V structure right here to secure that. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be working on. Stevie Wonder could weld better than me. Thank God they invented grinders. Yeah. It ain't getting better. I'll be back. I'm gonna genuinely go watch a video on how to be better at welding.
And I was inside, they got the federal trying.
Alright, so I'm not satisfied with how lopsided this tank is sitting like that. So I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna extend this piece right here. So this sits about maybe an inch lower. And then I'm gonna put it back up. But I'm just really not happy with how it's sitting. And then from there, I'm gonna go about making the bracing to brace it. I don't know. See how much more level it is? It's still, now it's going this way a little bit, but honestly it's way better than what it was. I'll take it. I did is I made a support bracket so it can't bounce up and down. See, it's directly touching the tank, and it's spread out over this area so it doesn't crush the tank. I just tack welded it though, make sure the tank can come in and out, and if it can, then I'm gonna start on one for this side, which I'll probably do like that, and then maybe hook back into here. Alright, so I got those welded up. I'm gonna go ahead and lay a bead down. And then I gotta make one more supporting mount back there for that. And then we are good, I think, other than the supporting mount for the other side to stop it from wiggling. But that will come tomorrow. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna tack this in. I'll show you everything after I already have it in place. I just want to warn y'all, I am not a professional. I just want to warn y'all that I am not a trained professional, and that only trained professionals should do this. So don't do what I'm about to do. But yeah, no, the gas tank has had gas in it, and I'm a brave soul. That's all I am. Alright, so this is what the bracing looks like. I know it ain't the prettiest, but I made it, so that's why. This one had to go up and then down to go with the flow of the tank. I'm gonna go ahead and start welding all of this in permanently. Finish up these welds right there, and then finish up these up here. So yeah.